Hello guys, good afternoon. Ito yung mga regalo na natanggap ni Ann. Pakita na natin guys. BC May. Oh, Little Doctor Center. Ito yung regalo na natanggap ni Ann. Isa. Oh, first batch lang ito guys. Bath, Bumps, Bumps for Leben. Leben ba yan? Tama ba? Bath and Bumps guys. Ito, pangalawa. Konti lang guys. Pero yung mga iba, ito lang muna ang aking papakita sa inyo guys. Ito naman yung Wonder Toys Body Magnet. Ito yung regalo niya. Di ba ganda? Isa. Napakaganda. At ito naman yung pangalawa. Ito. Okay. Ito yung tinatawag na BC Me. BC Me, ibig sabihin guys, ito yung Little Doctor Center. Yan. Napakaganda guys. Oh. Ganda yung mga natanggap ni Anna regalo at may kasamang card na guys. Ito naman ay galing sa kanyang tita at kanyang mga pinsan or mga cousin. Sabi niya 8 is amazing, exciting. Sabi niya and smart, confident. Oh. Confident, funny, I got a big heart, daring, like that. It's a brave, like a bear. It's cool. It's a grown up. It has a really good hair. Oh my God, di ba ang ganda? It's so nice. Ito ay galing sa kanyang tita at kanyang mga pinsan guys. 2 and 8-tastic. Di ba? It's a great and it's new to here to your brightness and here to you. And here to you too. Much love, Auntie Naya, Ali, Jos, and Milo. Yung Milo na sinasabi yan guys ay yung pusa. Tapos ito ay galing naman kay aking biyena, sa kanyang grandpa. Galing sa grandpa. Granddaughter, you make time world a sweater, happier place. Wow, sweet. Diba? And hope you how love you are on your birthday and every day. My dear, and here is a wishing you a very happy 8th birthday. Love lasts forever. Grandpa. So what you gonna say, Ann? And talk to them? Come here. Very quick, baby. Before I end my video, you gonna say thank you everyone. Come here. Thank you everyone. The present. Come here, talk to them. The birthday girl is here.
Hello, today is my birthday. I turned 8.
And people give you a present. What are you gonna say?
Thank you.
Thank you everyone. All for the present that I have right now. Yes, that's for Ann. Okay guys, salamat sa panonood guys. At pag nagustuhan niyo ang aking video, paki-share na lang guys. Ito yung mga regalo. So, ganyan natin na lagay natin dyan para makita nila. Okay. Yung mga fantastic. Alright guys, salamat sa panonood at sana ay naibigan nyo ang aking video. Thank you. Bye-bye.